How's it going, everyone? Today is December 16th, 2019, and this is Thriving Bulls Trade of the Day. Good morning or afternoon, wherever you guys are coming from. This is Thriving Bulls Trade of the Day. We are looking at the /YM, or the Dow Jones Futures here. We're looking for a sell-off on this one. Let me go and actually show you the an hourly chart and kind of show you what we're looking at. I've got my Fibonacci here, but I'm going to go ahead and remove it just so I can show you the overall trend that's happening within the market on the upside. We are hitting all-time highs once again right here. We are having the China trade deal going in the favor of this market. So as you can see, we have a nice uptrend happening here. But what I do see is that we have some nice divergence on the higher time frames. And so if we actually go into, let's go in the 1 minute and see what our trades are looking like. Okay, it's kind of going back and forth. As you can see, we kind of had a lot of momentum, and we were just keep on going up and up and up, and now we're just kind of like doing this little number. We're just kind of starting to lose that momentum. So my theory is that we're going to do kind of this. We're going to lose that momentum, and then we're going to kind of work our way down, maybe gain some momentum, and then we'll kind of work our way back up. And then this is where we want to get filled in. So let me go ahead and show you why I took it where I took it, because you can see that we're kind of in the middle of this 1.5 as well as this 1.1. So honestly, what we could do is we could go ahead and see where price is on 1.1. Let's do 1.5 first. So 284.06, 284.06 minus 283.16, 283.16. That gives us 90. We're going to divide that by 2. We're going to do 45 plus our 28316. We have 3861. So the one in between is actually right about here. So this is our 1.25 deviation, our positive 1.5 deviation. Positive 1.25 deviation. Alright, perfect. So that is where that is located. Now, I know that you're still probably thinking, well, I don't understand why, it's being taken right here. Well, if we go into the daily chart, kind of zoom in here, we actually had our swing high to swing low here. And if we add in a curve of 1.18, and then I'm going to go ahead and put this back into a 5 minute so you can see it. You can see we're getting really, really close to that 1.18, as well as you can see that price is getting really close to that. It's pretty much right on top of that positive 1.25. So that's kind of where we're looking to want to try to get a sell-off is right around that price. And you can see we're kind of creeping there. It's not like we're really starting to, price is really pounding through to make that price happen. It's just kind of at a crawl. So, we have our trade in here right here, and we have our order in as well for 34, and we got in at 44. So as you can see, 44.75. So actually, let's go ahead and do that. Make it this 34.75 instead. So it's an exact $10. So now we can go ahead and see where price is, and it looks like we got really, really close to that particular price. And what's going to be really, really hard is we are breaking this new MA, which is something we have not done, and we just got filled. So you can see 34.75 is right there. So it'll probably go a little bit lower because we are starting to break, this MA as well. As you can see, we hit at 34 exactly, so we've gotten filled on that one as well. But it's going to maybe retrace back up to retest these MAs. This one here and this one here. Actually, let me go ahead and change this color. It could be this one here or this one here, and then it could work its way back down. Just having this huge engulfing candle, something we have not had in a while with this market, could kind of show you that that price is kind of here to stay when it comes to this. Now, you can see that there's a nice candle formation here as well, and with that comes a nice engulfing candle right afterwards, which is showing you that we are about to see a downwards market. So will we go completely down? Maybe not. We may actually go and do what is called a 50% retracement on this particular asset, and go from, let me make sure I'm getting the correct swing low here. So we have today's swing low, which is here to here. Go ahead and get that right on it. So swing high to swing low. So what we may actually see is for price to come right to this 50 point, which is right about here. And as you can see, we do have a lot of market swing that happened there, and so that is definitely a zone that we could hit and then start to rally back up into possibly this 1.5. But it's just going to be interesting to see how the day goes out. We are hitting all-time highs when it comes to the indices market, which is very exciting for the U.S. economy and the U.S. market as of right now. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this trade. If you guys have any questions, please don't hesitate to comment in the comment section down below. We are still doing our sale. Let me go ahead and actually pull that up for you 1 second. Alright, so here's our website, www.thrivingbull.com, and as you can see, we still have our Thriving Signals for $100 a month, and then our Deviations, which is what I showed you today, for $90 a month. You get these every single day. This is the cheapest you'll find on the internet, and you have the Thriving Signals, which is our manual signals that you will get SMS alerts. We are still working on WhatsApp to be able to get that for you, just because, you know, sometimes SMS can be a little tricky for some people, but you know, everybody knows WhatsApp. So then you have the full access package, which comes with the signals, which is this one, and then it comes with the daily deviations, which is this one, which is a $190 value, which we're giving away for $150 a month, and it includes the auto trader system. And the auto trader, if you're not familiar, you can see videos of it on our YouTube channel. Our auto trader system is basically, you will never ever miss one of the trades with our Thriving Signals, which are here. You'll never ever miss one, and you'll be able to have what we call the 90-10 rule, which means that if you're risking 90 to make 10, you can flip that switch on and it will not take that trade for you. We are working on different pairs to switch on and off, as well as a feature that we already have, which is our take profit working order feature, which is you put in a money amount in a whole dollar, and you say, let's say, like for perfect example, if I would have put 10 in there and that trade would have automatically been placed, a working order for $10 profit would have automatically been placed as well, and it would have just done all the work for me. So I can kind of sit back and relax and not have to worry about too much when it comes to the auto trader. Now, it is very important that we make everyone understand that we didn't design the auto trader to be a set it and forget it type system. It is a system that is just an addition to your arsenal. It's something that you'll add on top of your other trading. So you still have to, we still suggest that you monitor it. You monitor the trades. You know, as of right now, it is getting really, really close to the holidays. It's the 16th of December. So we are literally 9 days away from Christmas and about 8 days away from Christmas Eve. And the markets are going to be kind of finicky. Markets are going to be doing all sorts of weird stuff. So as of right now, our signals are kind of, you know, sometimes we get like one trade a day, which we usually get about 5 or 6. So the market's really kind of all over the place right now. So we suggest that you really, really monitor the trades and monitor what you're doing. So if you do have any questions, please visit our website at www.thrivingbull.com, and we'll be more than happy to answer any of them that you may have.